Hi, we're thrilled to share our latest update on the ecosystem, featuring all the cool stuff that happened in August. Let's get into it. August was a dynamic month for Tong, featuring institutional recognition, leadership milestones, and major infrastructure upgrades, pushing the network closer to mass adoption. Let's take a look at the numbers and achievements that characterized the month. Max Kron appointed president and CEO of Tong Foundation. Max Kron expanded his leadership as Manuel Stotz stepped down to focus on Tong Strategy Co., reflecting the board's trust in Kron's vision for Tong's future. Institutional recognition from Coinbase Ventures. Coinbase Ventures added Tongcoin to its holdings, signaling strong confidence in Tong's mission. Pavel Durov highlighted this milestone as proof of Tong's growing institutional credibility. Binance integration expands Tong reach. Millions of Binance users can now stake Tongcoin via Wallet Air, supported by a $300,000 rewards campaign from Tong stakers, broadening Tong's access to mainstream crypto audiences. Jetton 2.0 faster token transfers. The new Jetton standard enables up to 3 times faster transfers during congestion, with smarter wallet placement and production-ready contracts enhancing Tong's scalability. AWS integration goes live. Tong is now part of AWS's public blockchain data registry, allowing developers and analysts to easily access and build with Tong data. High-value digital asset trades. Plush Pepe number 1515 sold for $165,000, up from $94,000, and a $350,000 Porsche GT3 RS was swapped for Telegram gifts worth $57, earning recognition from Pavel Durov. MyTonWallet Air, 40% faster. The native app offers smoother performance, advanced NFT tools, precise charts, smarter swaps with major Tong dexes, and enhanced security. Snoop Dogg advocates Telegram. The artist praised Telegram's ad-free experience and successful gift collections, highlighting growing mainstream attention for Telegram's digital assets. Despite the summer season, Tong was not taking it easy. Stay tuned for more news.